Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun. Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen.
Good morning.
Calling those ticks like a money machine.
Getting set up here.
ICT rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did.
Shout out.
Endless bull run chart in his hand.
Shout out to Willa for making this.
Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless bull run, Sam says one more leg. TD rates fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long since I watched the Dutch oven tutorial. So you know what to do. Wait, what? No, not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation, changing state of delivery.
Gonna be trading some Bitcoin today.
Talk like a wizard. Draw a box, tap the zone, bulls growing bigger. Break of structure line, price snaps like a breadstick. Changing state of delivery. He's calling every plot twist. 1 minute candles racing, 15's laying out the plan. 4 hours slow cook patience. Dutch oven for the diamond hands. Ooh yeah. Endless bull run, yell it again. Stocks and crypto whistle back, my friend. Dutch oven cooking that 4-hour trend. If this dumps down, we just call it a bend. 1 minute panic, 15 magic, 4-hour calm.
Good morning.
There was a break of structure, a change in state of delivery. 1 minute fake out, 15 cleans the noise up.
Willa with the banging intro.
Treasure map, Sam just laughs, same game, new day. BOS breaks, we scream, okay, okay. He says, same shape, different ticker. Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker. I'm deep red, still clicking like Sam. I'm holding till I'm richer.
Okay, let's see what Bitcoin has in store today.
Ride it too close. If it all rubs, that's how it goes. Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows. Sam hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal slow cook, everybody knows.
A lot of chop, huh? 15 minute over here, 1 minute over here. Playing that fractal. See what the 4 hours looking like.
So something weird is happening on YouTube.
Just ranging in this 4 hour. Bitcoin's gonna be stuck here till the war gets over. If not dumping. Just stuck in that 4 hour. Fair value gap. My OBS resets all the time, and now I lost half my crap that I want on my screen. This 4 hours looking bearish. If not indecisive, I guess. That would have been a change in the state. Even down here would have been. Sorry, I haven't streamed much lately. Been super busy. Between my dad's surgery and recovery time here at my house to me selling a business. Haven't had much time. But I'm back. I'm going to start streaming more now. I got NQ over here just in case NQ wants to do anything fun. I have a one funded, one Tradeify funded. And this is Warbucks. 5,000 test account. Didn't expect much to happen after. I wanted to get on earlier, but I still had some stuff to take care of this morning. But I'll see if we can get some action during lunchtime. Maybe it would be nice. What's up, Busta? How's it going? Still forward testing pre-market. Today was not that great. Took some C setups. They all failed. It's all good. Good to hear, Busta. Saw that you had some good trades this morning. Plus, you're in luck. That's, well, you're 5 hours ahead of me, so you're almost in April. We have no more folders today, right? No one's speaking. Let's take a quick look. Nope. This might do some action tomorrow. Unemployment on Thursday. Non-farm on Friday. I'm in New England. You know what? I think I'm actually sorry. Nope. I was getting you confused with REKT. April will be nice though. We hope. We're all stuck in this friggin' range that is just killer. I know the NQ broke out of it here, right? To the downside. But once you really look at it, it's not that big of a break of this. And I'm starting to wonder if this is going to be AMD, you know, like accumulation all the way through here. Then manipulation down. It's kind of what it's feeling like. But I think it could go down even further. Let me go to see if I can get the perpetual up. It's got to just remember I'm on it. There we go. Looks like we have support here, liquidity grab down here. Next one will be 21. Let's get rid of all the indicators. Some old lines. It's amazing. Bounced right off. I don't even know what this is from. Yep, bounced right off it. It's a line from February 24. That's 2024. Hit my targets. Yeah, I'm Eastern Standard Time. I'm Eastern Standard Time as well. So we're on the same time zone. So right, we were bad. Broke out of that range. Let's pull Fibby. There's a gap right on the 786. Like I said, there's always a gap or a fair value gap. Can we imagine the NQ going back down to 18.5? If we get down here, I'm longing the hell out of it. I'm going to put in an alarm because I will forget about it. Okay, I have an alert on. Another one everyone has been watching is Jack in the Box. It's getting closer to my buy. This one's good for Daddy. Daddy T's pointed out this one. Some 786 somewhere here. I think it's full range 786. Oh no, she went deeper than that. But they've been restructuring. What is that? $9.12. I got in at COVID lows. I've been doing well. We'll see if it makes a reversal pattern once it hits around $7.13. See what Fartcoin's doing. This one's for Willa. Well, I think I can make this so it will show that it's going to be negative. Don't want to see it break there. It's done. At least going to this wick. Yeah, same place as when I left Bitcoin. That's what I figured was going to be happening. Just a giant move. Oh yeah, that's from my explanation earlier. I'm like, where'd that come from? See where my levels have been hit today. Took out Asia high. Basically at open. Took out previous day high here. Okay. Little 4-hour bull flag. Let's use that as an order block. Give us some targets above. Went right to that deviation. Deviations are lining up about at the 4-hour. So those are solid targets for the upside. We even have this order block here that will give us higher targets if we're going to turn bullish. It looks like it might want to make a as you can see here, now that I'm noticing this, right? Took this out. So I might want to come back down, come up here, come back down, and then back up. Make a little inverse head and shoulders with a swing here, and swing somewhere in here. And then that head and shoulders will bring us back up. It's making a reversal pattern for sure. Thank you. Let's see, I'm going to post this to Discord. As a possible higher time frame reversal. Really, the next level is here. We want to see a break, but that deviation would be here, closing above there. Just ladder out of it. Let's see what the there we go. Exactly. This is the monthly here. Oh, sorry, the weekly. We got a candle 1, 2, 3. We want this to close inside this previous week's candle. Let's see, equilibrium of this week's candle here is right on this order block. Potential order block. So if we don't get rejected here, it'll be pretty bullish. Sup, Willa? Willa, did you miss the intro music? Really appreciate it, man. I might play it again now that you're here. Ooh, we're doing something on Bitcoin. What are we doing? Oh, new hourly too coming up here on everything. Look how gross the last 3 hours of Bitcoin have been. This is basically no trading. No trading this shit. With just a little tiny eval, I'll do something. I want this one to be the one hour real quick so I can watch how it's working. Because we're going to want to come up, make the wick of this 1 hour and possibly come back down. I don't know. So bar-coded. If I got in on this, where would my stop be? Have to be up here, maybe this one. Let's go back to the 15. Yeah, this is that. I don't know, there's no real good swing to put a stop on the 15 minute. What's up, Encrypt? Glad to see you, bro. Hope everything's doing great on your side. Literally the shittiest price action known to man for like 3 months. I haven't taken any real trades. I've only forward tested some stuff that failed. It is a good scalping day. Nothing's running unless you caught it early. Even then, it's not running much. That was the biggest move of the day, at least this 1/2 hour here. You just took 2K on the long, this long here on NQ. Oh yeah, right off the fair value gap. Nice play. Do you mind if I show it on the stream? Nice 5-minute play off that fair value gap. Continuation. dog hair in my mouth. Dogs are shedding like a SOB right now. It's a nice trade right off there. Still might have some upside. $786 right off the 50% of that. Nice. Really nice trade. This is not mine. This is Busta. Busta took a nice trade here. Yeah, you said you took it off here. You might get your final target. London low was kept. It's not touched. This weekly close hasn't been touched either, really. Triple bottom on the 15 and the 4. Quadruple. And then triple. Yeah, Buster. That's like whole like you know, last few weeks, last month and so it's just been nothing but scalping. It's really good. It's a good continuation. Missed it, but right. Fractal of what you just played on the 5 minute. 50%, boom. 50%, boom. We're gonna go for previous day high again. Is that what we're doing? I'll get it on candle 3 here, possibly. Got a 1, 2, and then 3. Don't want it to come up here yet, and I don't want it to come up here yet. If it breaks this, and then I'm not gonna get into it because this is just blasted. So this getting into this is a 4-hour fair value gap here. Might hit some resistance there. So what I'm looking for is for this one to close like that. So that's what I'm gonna try to get in on the next candle. I don't think you bought the top yet, Encrypt, if you're long. I think the top will be, it's going to sweep this up here, maybe one more time. Showing some very bullish. Good discipline, Encrypt, good discipline. Now go lock yourself out of Tradeovate. It's pretty much doing what I want it to do. I'm liking the action. As long as we don't have any good scam wicks in either direction. It's shaping up. Resistance there. Broke here. Bitcoin's just doing that. It's just lunchtime action. Lunchtime action. Encrypt, I don't know if you know, they have like a complete lockout feature now that will lock you out of all of your Tradeovate accounts. I'm going to pull it up on the other screen and drag it over. Oh, Apex doesn't do it? That's because Apex wants you to fail. Not you in particular. You as in everybody. What's up, Satoshi? How you doing? Well, yeah. Apex never wants me to buy an eval again. They told me very specifically in 2024. Should have grabbed this one and retested this fair value. Yeah. I'm waiting patiently for this next 15 minutes though. I am doing fantastic. Satoshi, thanks for asking. Finally closed the sale of my business, one of my businesses. So now I'm back trading. Thank you, thank you. Feels good. Feels good. Okay, now this new 15 open, we want it to come down. Respect this equilibrium. I can't talk. Equilibrium of this fair value gap. I meant of this 15-minute candle. Did you retire your wife, Busta? That's awesome. It's like this. Kind of like this awakening. Yeah. It's hard, dude. It's hard. Oh, there is just like an awakening. Like this, like what? Like everyone's asking, what the fuck are we doing? Not like, what are we doing? What are we doing working these jobs? With these fake jobs for fake money. To pay fake debt. To be unfairly taxed on. Okay, I'm really trying hard not to rant. I'm gonna watch the charts for a second. You guys almost got ranted on. Never came down. This is barely any wick on this 15-minute. There might be no wick on this 15-minute. There's no wick on the 15. Scam. Yeah. No wick on the 15. No wick. So yeah, no wick on the 5. No wick on the 5. Yeah, no tail, sorry. Tail. I mean, she's coming back. But that'll make it probably... Let's do this. It's the 1 minute. Yep. How does that look on the 15? If she comes back, I'm not interested though. I mean, this would have been the play that... See, we're 2 R's on this. But it came shy of 2R. Right, Satoshi? Keep studying. I don't know where you are on your trading journey, but this, if You can control yourself is the way out. I mean, we're trying to trade this. That mess. Will, are you being productive today? What you making? If you're going to be around for 5 minutes, I'll play the intro again. Not that you haven't heard it before, but I just want to thank you for doing it. Okay, we got actually quite a bit of people there. Really appreciate it. I'm going to pause that, and I'm going to play the intro again. Gonna crawl into one of the well, here we go.
Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
I'm gonna turn it up a little bit.
Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bid he did. Endless bull run chart in his hand. Zoom out, fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips.
Looks like we're just gonna range here.
Campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless bull run, Sam says one more leg. TD rates fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long since I watched the Dutch oven tutorial. So you know what to do. Wait, what? No, not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation, changing state of delivery.
Love it.
He talk like a wizard. Draw a box, tap the zone, bulls growing bigger. Break of structure line, price snaps like a breadstick. Changing state of delivery. He's calling every plot twist. 1 minute candles racing, 15's laying out the plan. 4 hours slow cook patience. Dutch oven for the diamond hands. Ooh yeah.
It's banging.
Endless bull run, yell it again. Stocks and crypto whistle back, my friend. Dutch kicker. Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker. I'm deep red, still clicking like Sam. I'm holding till I'm richer.
Never came back to create a tail on the 15.
Endless bull run, ride it too close. If it all rocks, that's how it goes.
Scam.
Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows. Sam hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal slow cook, everybody knows. Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows. Am hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal snipers,
Banging Willa.
show that you care, like, subscribe, and share. Fractal snipers, show that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
Round of applause for Willa. Thank you very much, man. Really, really like it. Yeah, this is sketch. Big sketch, right? Is it going to come all the way back down? It's kind of where my patience made me not miss a trade, but it's all good. Seeing if this had a fair value gap in it. Tiniest of one. Ran through that fair value gap. See, this would have made sense, right? If it went from this, came back down, and then back into this fair value gap here. Because that would have taken out created a tail on that 15 and the 5. Like, so we would want to, what I was looking for was this. And then go to previous day high. We didn't get that. Showed as a position. Safest stop would have been here. Okay, stop at this swing. At that protected swing. So let's do two different. So there's that one on that protected swing. Another way to have played it. If it came back down here, it never came back. Off the body or tail of the candle that made the fair value gap. So you'd have a tighter stop off that. You don't need it to run as high. Both would have won if we came back down. Because what we're really looking for is this run here, right? Maybe not all the way to it. You know my rule, don't always go to the... Don't go for the sweep, go below the sweep in case it teases it. Take care, Encrypt. Appreciate you coming. So let's take a look at this 15. New 15 minute just started to print. Made this order block here. But still, we're wickless. Look at the 4 hour. It's pretty funny. So close to my targets here. Then with this bearish fair value gap between here and here. This is a fair value gap here. So what do we do with this? With the 4 hour looking like that already. Oh yeah, I marked the two bottoms. I didn't mark the top. So the top of the fair value gap is here. A lot of people take this as one fair value gap because they're relatively close together, so that like if it comes through this one, it's most likely dipping into that one, right? I just don't like where we're sitting. Would have much rather got all the way in and all the way back here when I wasn't live yet. Now we're near the top of the range here. And the 4 hour looks like garbage. Looks bullish, but garbage. Let's measure out this order block here and see where she might go. That's probably going to be how that's going to be for tomorrow if we continue upwards. Right, we were thinking that it was going to be a right. Then another one over here, right? Not presenting that though. Triple bottom through here. We take that, it does go through the fair value gap. Bullish, I meant bearish fair value gaps on the 4 hour. It's getting bullish on, it's getting bullish. So I'm going to look ahead here for tomorrow. Let's see, like, oh, that's the 15-minute one. All depending on how the rest of the afternoon goes here. This could be a candle 2. I meant candle 1, candle 2, and candle 3 will come. We'll want the overnight to do something like this. And then New York to expand again. Kind of like what I did last night. See, Asia was the low of the day. Yeah, I'm not interested in this anymore. I didn't get a trade in. This wickless 15-minute, 5-minute candle really screwed up the trade. They called the move, guys, but I was unable to get in. And then when Crip was still here, he would wish that he was held that long open. Really, my only percentage right here. This actually would have been the most ideal. Second ideal. This is the one that Busta took here. He took off this fair value gap, which was great. Well, one of those days where you just call the move but just can't get in. She's just going. My God. There you go, Busta. She's going for those deviations we just deleted. It's going hard on him. Yeah, no joke. I mean, like, I'm just like, it's going for those deviations. Like, wants them now. They're going to the bottom of that fair value gap. Like I said, if it's gonna run this one, it's gonna tap into that. Jesus Christ. Well, I called it. If you took that long. Yeah, exactly, Bus. Let's do it tomorrow, today. Like, I mean, I got a daily fair value gap here. Anybody take that bull flag on the 5 minute? Yeah, it's Good Friday. Does the market close early on Good Friday? I'm not sure, Busta. Do you know about that? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. $300 move. We called it, but couldn't get in. Okay, thanks, Busta. Let's just go in. Why don't I just go to all my targets? Just go to all of them. Let's go to this daily fair value gap now. Why not, right? It's only another 150 points. No, what I should have done. I should have done this earlier. I'm going to do this next stream. I'm going to... Don't forget to smash that like button too, guys. I appreciate it. It really helps. If you're new, subscribe. We have a lot of fun here. I have nothing to sell you. Not associated with anything. Don't have a Discord to sell you. Don't have any affiliates to sell you. Just a bunch of friends hanging out, having a good time. Just a regular dude trading. Yeah, Bitcoin did the same thing. She ripped too. It's all this accumulation. Let's hope it's not a AMD this way, because that would be brutal. That'd be nasty. That'd be nasty. I'm guessing it was some kind of tweet or some kind of news, right? Let's see what the fake news has to say about it. Nothing. Oh, it was updated 5 minutes ago. There's no good news about the war, so I don't know what caused this. Trump's threatening to bomb infrastructure again, and he doesn't care if the strait gets open again. British defense says they're sending troops in air defense. It's acting very tweet-like action. Don't pop and dop. Okay, guys. Oh, I just noticed the time. Shit. I have some things to do this afternoon, so I have to run. Really appreciate y'all hanging out. Congrats on the trades. I saw you guys take some bangers. That was epic. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. We had some fun. Hit the like button if, anyways. So I'm also going to see you tomorrow. I'm going to stream a hell of a lot more. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.